Mesenchymal cells, stem cells that respond to relatively close injury by dividing to produce more of themselves. They also are able to differentiate between other cells that are present within connective tissue. Osteoblasts, cells that build up bone. Osteoid, organic portion of the bone matrix that forms prior to the maturation of bone tissue. Osteocytes, bone cells. Ossification center, a group of neurons in the CNS, central nervous system, that are responsible for forming bone. Spicules, spatches of bone formed. Spongy bone, the inner portion of bone. Osteons, most basic unit of bone, containing many osteocytes. And finally, periosteum, a layer of connective tissue where tendons and ligaments attach. Step 1. Mesenchymal cells bunch together and change into osteoblasts. This triggers them to release organic components from the matrix. Osteoids are now mineralized with calcium salts and a bone matrix is formed. Step 2. Along the way, osteoblasts are captured in bony pockets where they can turn into bone cells. The developing bone comes from the ossification center in spicules. Step 3. Blood vessels start to branch within the area and then grow between those spicules. With oxygen and a good source of nutrition, bone growth occurs rapidly, and as spicules intertwine, they trap blood vessels within the bone. Steps 4 and 5. As bone continues to grow, osteoblasts near blood vessels result in formation of spongy bone. Rebuilding around blood vessels produces osteons relative to compact bone. Osteoblasts on the surface of the bone, in addition to connective tissue, create the periosteum.